acceleration is mind-blowing. Beyond that, it's also a smart scooter, which means that it comes with a touchscreen dashboard. You can have a look at that. LED lights in the front and rear, all LED lights. Front rear disc brakes, 12-inch wheels, alloy wheels, which means that you get the most premium experience of riding any two-wheeler. Right?
What are the features? What is the maximum benefit that a customer can get?
So first is obviously being an electric, you have a very clean experience of riding. You don't have to worry about filling up petrol. You don't have to worry about all the obnoxious gases. You don't have to worry about obviously rising petrol prices. All of that. So that becomes a great thing. Next is obviously the ride experience itself. How you can go through the traffic, how you can brake, be like front and rear disc brakes, how you can take a really sharp braking, how you can accelerate really fast and get away from traffic or on signals. Then comes the dashboard.
How could you differ from petrol as well as in front of electric?
I mean everything. Like you're starting from the cost of riding and the maintenance is negligible for these vehicles. The cost of petrol is.
What about the power charging?
It is the most powerful scooter out there. It doesn't matter. It's much powerful than any electric.
One charge, how long it takes and about kilometer mileage?
Right. It will go about 80-85 kilometers in one charge.
Of electric vehicles, especially when it's modern generation and especially as far as Goa is concerned.
So now electric vehicle, good question. Now electric vehicle is not just for young generation but even for old generation. Because all the old generation, they've seen Goa grow from a village to a big city, and now they can see how that city is having its pollution problems. And now even the young generation want to change to electric because the vehicle is fast, and the old generation want to change to electric because they want to give back to Goa what Goa has given them. So from the young to the old, everyone will want to go to electric, and we are very happy to be over here and to serve the people of Goa.
Tell us about the points where this vehicle bike could be charged, because that is an important factor.
Yes, charging is an important factor, and the good news is that we provide two type of chargers with every vehicle. It's a mobile charger, Garamari charge kara, or is a dot charger where you can fix. Apart from that, we will be installing more than 25 locations all over Goa, north to south. So you can come, charge, drink tea, visit us and go. So we will be having fast chargers across Goa. You will be having a charger in your house, and most likely even your neighbor will be having a charger. So we will make sure there is charging everywhere. There are only 10 petrol pumps in Goa, but there will be more than 100 charging points in Goa.
You are giving alternate batteries along with this?
No need for alternate battery. Plan B only happens when you are not sure on plan A. I can tell you, Ather has made sure they don't need to rely on plan B. There is no swappable battery also. Because what happens with swappable battery, when you remove, when you put, you forget, it can also get stolen. They will make sure that you will get the right mileage for the entire life of the battery, and there is no need to replace your battery.
What is the range?
With a 5-hour charge, with a full charge, you will get 116 kilometers. That means you can cover 95% of Goa with one night charging. But you don't have to worry because we are going to be there everywhere.
You have to wait for your bookings?
Yes, people are waiting since 4 years. So we have a big back order, but we are very confident that we will serve everyone by the very short.
What is the booking in Goa?
It's a very high number. It's a very high number, and we are in quite a long waiting, but we will cater for sure. Yes.